Hi, my name is Andrea DeWitt, and today I'm going to show you how to create a game using Flippity. So first we're going to come up, add a new tab, and type in flippity.net. That's going to take us here to their homepage where we have a variety of games. You can make flashcards, you can do a Jeopardy style quiz show, you can do random name generators, randomizers, scavenger hunts, board games, manipulatives, matching games, connect games, bingo games. As you can see, there are a variety of different things that you can do for your students. A few of these right here are made to where you can create your own crosswords and word scrambles, word searches, and print those out for your students to use. They are not to be used online. We're going to come up here to the matching game and hit template. We're going to make a copy of the document for our own Google Sheets. And then it's going to ask us to change these two columns in the spreadsheet. Don't touch anything in the blue and don't touch anything in the yellow. We're going to do a numbers matching game. So 1 through 20. Oops. Oops. That is not what we wanted to happen. I guess we're going on anyways. And then we're going to type each number out. These URLs that you're seeing here are where the template game has photos. If you want to do photos, you can, or you can just do words. Ooh, not right. Okay. After you have both of your columns filled out of how you want them, go to File, Publish to the Web, and Publish. From here, you're going to click OK. Click out of here. And then go down here to this tab and click Get the Link here. From there, you can click on the link and click down here. This is going to bring you to your game. Now, since I did so many numbers, you will have to scroll down to see all of it. But as you can see here, you can click on this one, click on that one. They're not a match, so they go away. When you click here,
13.
It also has audio.
5. 15. 12.
No matches yet.
20.
Okay. If you want to copy your game to send to someone else, you can do this, highlight that, copy it, and then you can send it in an email. You can submit it on Google Classroom. You can send it to a Google Doc to send out, however you want to go about distributing that game. Thank you for watching.